All right, before we move on, I always like to commit my changes and kind of go through them. So let's do git init, because you'll notice this is not a Git repository yet until we do this. All right, so let me make this bigger. We have new changes over here. All right, so we have this new file. Basically, we added all of these ESLint rules that we explained in previous videos. Git ignore is something that the creation of the Meteor app provided. We created this prettier RC file, as well as updated these package and in turn the package lock.json files. Okay, so the entire .meteor folder is here, right? And let's go now to see the client over here. We changed this part actually. We're going to be removing those kinds of things later. The Meteor command created this as well as this here. Remember, this is Blaze, and we're going to be replacing that. This is our test file. We probably don't want this to be staged. There's a main server, or the folder server, and the main file there, as well as the tests, which we didn't go through, but we probably will in the future. Okay, so let's add everything but our temp.vue file. So let's commit now. All right, great. Now that we did this, we can go ahead and start adding support for Vue in our Meteor application. Remember, all we did was added support on VS Code for making ESLint, Prettier, and Vue work together. But we now need to tell the application itself, the Meteor app we're building, how to understand and work with Vue. All right. And so to accomplish that, the very first thing we want is to install Vue as a dependency. So we're going to do meteor npm install Vue. And we want to save that as a dependency. All right. So package.json will now list, here we go, Vue as a dependency. All right. Awesome. Another npm package that we want to install now is vue-meteor-tracker. And this package will take care of the reactivity. So something I haven't mentioned is how easy it is for Meteor to be reactive and to provide an update of the UI according to changes on the data, for example, that you have. So this will be important and good to know. And so this is one of the reasons why I think Meteor and Vue are a really great match, because they both kind of have the same goal to provide a reactive way of developing your applications. But anyway, so let's install this. All right.